In the heart of the dense jungle, three friends freeze, their ears perked up at the sudden rumbling that shatters the peaceful evening. With determined looks on their faces, the friends gather around Benny's intriguing new gadget, curiosity sparking in their eyes. The tension mounts as the trio presses on, their hearts pounding in rhythm with the escalating sound echoing through the trees. At the foot of the towering tree, the three companions exchange glances, a silent agreement passing between them as they approach the source of the rumbling. A collective gasp escapes the friends as they lay eyes on the hidden entrance to a mysterious tunnel concealed within the ancient tree. Fear and excitement mingle in the air as the friends navigate the twisting passageways, their bond tested by the unforeseen challenges that lie ahead. With hearts racing, the three companions stand united, their determination unwavering as they confront the obstacles blocking their path through the mysterious underground labyrinth. Sweat glistens on their brows, but their spirits remain unbroken as they push forward, each step bringing them closer to the heart of the mystery hidden within the tunnel. Emerging into the warm glow of the tunnel's exit, the friends share a triumphant smile, their bond strengthened by the challenges they conquered together. Lenny, Penny, and Benny stand side by side, their faces alight with joy and wonder, their hearts forever changed by the adventure that bound them together.